Hello and welcome back everyone to the next episode on low code no code development training with SAP Build Apps and Build Process Automation. In this series of videos we are learning about SAP Build Apps. By far in the last episode we learned about the concept of Google Firebase integration with SAP Build low code no code solution. If you like my work in this video series, please like, share, and subscribe the video, and also share the video series with your fellow colleagues in the WhatsApp group. Having said that, let's get started. Our today's topic will be how to use SAP Build Cloud Functions. SAP Build Cloud Functions allows you to design the serverless backend without you yourself managing the server infrastructure. SAP BTP takes care of that, and you can design the database tables, entities, and also add logical functions to perform the processing logic. So we are going to use SAP Build Apps low code no code solution to create our first entity in today's class to store Anubhav Trainings courses data. So let's get started to SAP Build Cockpit. And here we click on create button to create a new application. And this time I will be choosing back end because I would like to create a database table to store data in the cloud. So I click on that and then I will choose application back end and I will give a name over here. So let me give a unique name of my backend application. I can say Anubhav Trainings Backend BE backend app for SAP Build Anubhav Trainings. Click on review. You can see I'm just ending up creating this now, and this opens a cloud project for us. You can see it is very much a low code, no code experience again to build applications. So especially the backend. So what does the backend include? Your tables, your business logic, your roles, all that is part of a backend application. Again, it's a low code, no code environment what we get here. So what I want to do is I want to create a database table which stores the courses information of Anubhav trainings. So to be able to do that, we click on the create new button and we will give here courses as my table name, courses of Anubhav trainings, and click on add button. So this create a courses table. Now for simplicity, what I've done today for all of you is I've created an Excel file which has the columns which I would be needing as part of my courses table. So we will have these columns like course name. So ID will be the primary key column by default. Apart from that, we can add additional columns. So my first column will be course name, C small n capital, text type, click on add. Then I will also add more fields like the trainer name, category, image, cost. So trainer name, category of the course, image of the course, cost, which is a number. Then we have description, link, rating, and duration. Description, link, rating, which is a number, and also finally the duration of the training. Perfect. So I have created now all the necessary columns as part of my database table. Now I can save this. In the future, we will also learn how to add multiple tables as well. But for time being, we are happy. Let's proceed to the deployment. So deployment is nothing but making this entire table available in the cloud. So it will deploy it into the BTP. You can see the free tier limitation with BTP free tier which we are currently using. The visual cloud function deployment will shut down after 15 minutes of inactivity. Additionally, all the data present in the entities will also be erased. So you can always note down the limitation. So you can see now my deployment is complete and it is healthy. So basically this table is now available in the cloud and I can consume it from my build apps. Next step will be to browse the data in the table. And right now we don't have a data. So you can create a new record manually or you can import. So let's click on import data. And then you can download a sample Excel file format here in your computer. And then you can fill that Excel and then you can come back to import the data. So you select the file and then you will enter the file name. Basically, it should match with the table name, which is the courses here in our case. Yeah. So I have multiple files actually. So let me just change it to correct file. All right. So I will also share this file with all of you as part of study material. I click on import now and voila, there you go. You can see all the data gets imported into the cloud in the database table. Fabulous. So my next step will be to consume this data in the build apps. So to be able to do the honor, we go back to the build apps. This is our application which we were developing in the last episode. We come back to integration. And now here we add a integration with visual cloud function. So we can click on cloud functions and it shows you all the deployed backend packages. So we just created one with the name Anubhav Trainings BE backend. And voila, you can see my courses table is available here. I install the integration and I enable this courses data entity. You can also browse the real data coming out of this entity of all Anubhav Trainings courses. Fantastic.